Okay, so let's take a look at some common .NET Core libraries. I found this website that has 23 of the most useful. It's the other thing called Swashbuckle. Let's go through them all first and then we'll circle back to them. Poly, AutoMapper, SASKit, Diagnostics, .Health Checks, MailKit, Cache Manager, Dapper, Ocelot, Inlog, LightDB, Smidge, bcrypt.net, bcrypt, Fluent Email, Unit Conversion, and then we'll circle back to see exactly what these do. Fast Report, guessing something is reporting. Autocomplete, App Metrics, Sharp Compress, Nop Commerce or Nope Commerce, CS Core, NetOffice, okay. And SignalR. Okay, so those are the 23. So let's circle back and figure out what they do. SignalR, .NET Core Library, add real-time web functionalities. Real-time web functionalities, okay. It helps developers push add data from the server to their applications. All right. NetOffice, .NET Core Library for Microsoft Office tools to automate and extend. Okay. So NetOffice, automate and extend Microsoft Office tools. Makes sense. CS Core. Audio utilizations like capturing, decoding, effects, and encoding. So audio related. So audio. I'm just going to say audio like. Audio utils. Alright. Shopping cart support. These are all quite different. Okay. Note the commerce on the end of it. Sharp compress. Compress and decompress files. Also non-seekable streams. Non-seekable streams. I'm going to add that one. That seems interesting. Alright. Next up is app metrics. Record metrics and report metrics. You gotta record them before you can report them. Autocomplete. Auto-completing text boxes and fields. Text boxes and fields, okay. Wonder what some common ones are. It is dependent on jQuery. Fast report. Report generator library. They can take in all this data here. So fast report, report generator library, or many data types, data file extensions. There we go. Unit conversion. Unit conversions for unit conversion. So we want to put it twice, so we'll do time, mass, distance, area, volume conversions. Fluent email. Send emails. I'm going to put using SendGrid, SMTP, Mailgun, etc. Bcrypt. Encryption. Smidge. That doesn't tell us much. Helps in app development. There we go. Minification, compression, combination. Oh, that's important actually for JSS and CSS files. And a few other things. Cache busting. LightDB. NoSQL database. Inlog. Makes me think of some eggnog actually. Logging. What do you know? Logging and log routines. I'm going to put logging, log routines. Ocelot API gateway for running microservices. Okay. Usually when you hear microservices, you start thinking of service-oriented architecture, so I think I'll skip that piece of it. Dapper object mapping. It supports ORM. IDB connection extending. Interesting. But we should note that it supports support for etc. So many different types of database related. Object mapping, support for all those. Alright. We're on a cache manager. If you need to abstract your cache, then Cache Manager might be for you. MailKit. Doesn't really tell me what it's for. So let's write down some of these. SASL authentication, proxy support, SMTP, POP3, IMAP 4, etc. Basically client-server communications. So I'm going to put client-server. There we go. I'll get rid of a few of these older ones. There we go for some extra space. Okay. Diagnostics.healthchecks. Check the UI port and liveness of the Microsoft Health checks. I'm going to say check UI port and liveliness. Looks like you can also create exclusive APIs. SaaSkit. Software as a service apps. You can create, you can develop software as a service apps. Multi-tenant apps. Using Owen. AutoMapper. Manage object-to-object mapping. Saves a lot of work. A lot of people seem to like that one. Poly. Fault handling, retrying, timeouting, circuit breaking, bulkheading, isolation, thread safe fallback. Lots of them. Handle faults. Let's see if I can get rid of these. A couple of these hands. And I'll get rid of handle. There we go. Faults. Faults. There we go. One more, swashbuckle. Explore and test API operations with Swagger. Alright, so we've got a lot of good, popular, common libraries here. I'm going to organize these just a little bit. I will put one more down here. There we go. App metrics. I wonder if that's related to application insights in Azure. I don't know. I think we're missing a place here. Now, I don't know when this article was written. I'm assuming it's not too long ago, but we can check here before we're done. There we go. So we have 23 great, useful .NET Core, which is kind of been moved. I think we're on .NET 6. This is a little bit old, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and say C# libraries. Alright, so let's see when this article came out. Is there any? I mean, it was updated on 23, but this is definitely written prior to 23. There's 22. Yeah, see, 18 and 19 .NET Core had some big growth. So I'm going to say this is probably like 18, 19-ish. So there we go. We got 23 great, useful .NET Core C# libraries.